Hello everyone. Today we will create a chatbot. We'll use Dataknobs tool kreatebots to build a chatbot. You can access this tool at kreatebots.com, or you can also access it on a Dataknobs site, createpro@dataknobs.com. So let's start. So to build a tool, I came to this site, I have signed in, and now I can start building a chatbot. So today's scenario is we'll be building a chatbot for a dietitian, because a dietitian need to build diet plan for multiple of their customers. So we'll show that how they can build diet plan for many of their customer. So to build a chatbot, I need to give it a ID and a name. So let's say my company name is Balance um, Meal, and I can call it a Balance 001. I can give it a cities, etc. if I want to display on a site. So just by giving this information, a AI assistant has been created, which has a front end and back end. So let's see what is that AI assistant, and then we'll configure it and we'll fill the detail. If I go to my account section, so I just created this balance meal, and this is available at this URL. So it's a empty AI assistant. So let's start configuring it. So I go back here at home, and I'm focusing on my company now, Balance Meal, and now I can give it a logo. I can give it a background image to display it here. So let's try this Happy Valley. You will see here is like this is your UI assistant, and the title is also AI assistant on this tab. If I change it to uh, get diet plan from Happy Valley, I add this thing, yeah, use our chatbot to serve you 24/7. And if I submit this, this and there's a success message, and this was our bot earlier. Now let's refresh it. So it changed to Happy Valley, and so now let's configure more item. You can give your PDF. So if you have few guidelines, you can give it a knowledge base of yours, and then you can focus on the prompt management. So uh, prompt management is an important piece of building a chatbot. So let's take an example um, prompt. So if you want to give a diet plan according to person height and weight and their what their goals are. So let's say this is my um, diet plan, or sorry prompt, that I'm considering user age and weight and height, and whether they sit longer hour or whether they do hard work in the field. And accordingly, I'm asking to create a diet plan. Now to do that, I need to fill these details, like what is their age, what is their, so that means every user of ours need to fill this detail. So we need to build a simple app to collect this data from users and then automatically populate this. Fortunately, CreateBot has automated all these pieces. So let's see how you can do it quickly. So um, I'm saving this template. I can generate the prompt, um, and then we'll set up the user profile section. Okay. Okay, so there is a success message. The prompt has been generated, but test the prompt. I require these fields. So I'm using this interface. So think of this as an admin interface which you are using for building a chatbot. Now let's take another persona. So I'm using this interface um, where where I will be as a user. I will be using this chatbot. So the URL of the chatbot is this, and I can point them into it. So currently, you see, if I go to my account section, it's almost blank. So what I will do here is to build the app is uh, in createpro at dataknobs.com. I will define a user profile. So how I'll do it? So first I am um, selecting my AI assistant, and I'm selecting the CSV file, which has the attribute that you want to collect, and I will upload it. I will show you the CSV file. So this is success message. The CSV file is like you want to know what is the age of a person, what is the weight and height to build a right diet plan for them. So those attributes are here, what their goals are. And these are the attributes you are using in your prompt. So once you do that, then it just by uploading the CSV, it will automatically build a app for you. So let's say as a user, I was seeing this blank thing, profile setup, etc. Now, if I after you uploaded the CSV, this item is created that um, where you can ask user. So let's say if I am a user Bob and I want to prepare a diet plan now, so so I can do it here. So as an admin, you basically created a chatbot, and then you have um, define like the what is the prompt, and if you want to test the prompt also, you can test it here. So you can say that okay, my age is 42 uh, and weight is 70 and um, female, uh, um, etc., and determine a, a balance plan. So here you can test it as a user that what kind of a result you will get, and then you can allow your user to test it in on your main site. So if I want to test it, um, I will simply click test, and we'll see the hopefully the response here. Um, so while the response is coming, such to rephrase it, what we have done so far, we created an AI assistant, we configured it, and we gave it a user profile CSV file to create a user profile, and then we gave set of prompts. And with that, we are able to build a chatbot. So a admin can test it here, and a ordinary user can test it on where the chatbot has been built. So for example, if I say here, my name is Prash, um, if I fill this detail here, I will get a personalized attribute according to me. So I can save these attributes. And now this has become my profile. Um, okay, so this was the reply. It came in the form of um, HTML document, and if you display it as an HTML, it will look like a full-fledged report. Let's ask the same thing from here. Like if I, as a user, if I ask the question, um, so I'm signing in again. Vegetarian daily diet plan. Okay, I need to select OpenAI here. to give the question again. I forgot to do that. So here you will see that uh, this was the user profile and this was the vegetarian plan. So this is not very pretty, but in 5 minutes we got this information out, and now we can improve the look and feel, etc. So all those things are configurable, and in 1 or 2 hours you will have a chatbot that you can roll it out. Thanks for today. Um, we created a chatbot. We use the admin interface to create an AI assistant, configure it, give it a user profile, and define the prompt and test it out. And as an ordinary user, we use it to fill the my account information and also to build a diet plan for us. Thanks, everyone.